When you work out, you're breaking down muscle tissue.
In order to rebuild that, for our muscles to grow and for us to get stronger, we need to replenish that breakdown. And we do that by eating protein.
The amount of protein you need is based off your body size.
Usually we recommend people to try and get between 20 to 30 grams at a meal. But if you're a bigger person, you're going to need more protein.
Registered Dietitian Megan Ryan takes a food-first approach.
That's getting in adequate protein in your meals, trying to incorporate some protein into your snacks. There are some great protein bars. There's Greek yogurt, which is naturally high in protein.
If you're still not meeting your protein goals, then a supplement is a great option.
If you are able to tolerate a whey protein, that's great. It's very easily absorbed for a lot of people. If you have any food intolerances, like if you don't tolerate dairy very well, then maybe a soy protein is better for you.
But keep in mind these supplements aren't regulated by the FDA.
It's beneficial to look for a protein powder that's been third-party tested. And that means that they're testing that what's actually in the protein powder is listed on the label.
Because while gains may be made in the gym, recovery starts in the kitchen. You can speak with a registered dietitian by searching for nutrition therapy on lehealth.org. For Lee Health, I'm Devin Turk.